Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create clickable envelope digital invitation with Canva. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. Okay, and here we need to come to the home. Okay, and we need to go in this website options. Okay, so this is website canvas. Okay, you can enable these pages by clicking these pages options, and if you want to customize or change this canvas size, you can go to the resize, and here go to the custom size, and you can resize like this. Okay, from pixel or inches. If you want this portrait, you can use this. Okay, resize it, so your canvas will be resized. Okay, you can delete this first page. Here we have resizes canvas. Okay, now come to the elements and search for the background, invitation background. Here you can choose any background, right click on it and set it as a background. If you want, you can make more customization by going this graphics and all, and put more decoration from here. Now here come to the elements and search for envelopes. So here we have the envelopes. Come to the graphics. Okay, come to the graphics, and we need two types of envelopes, which is first is open envelopes and close envelopes. So first we need that close envelopes. Okay, like this. You can also put that envelope seal. Okay, I choose this one and put on this, that open place where the envelope going to open. Here you need to place it. Okay, now here you can add the text. You can add the many text like welcome and all. So I just add normal text. Tap to open. Okay, you can resize this text like this. You can also change that fonts and color. Okay, now here come to this three dot option, make it duplicates. So now we have that duplicate page. You can delete text. You can keep the seal beside. Here now we need to that open envelope. So come to the envelope here again and choose that open envelope. But you can see, try to select the same envelope, open envelope and close envelope, but in my case we have the different colors. So you can match that color. Select that first and go to the style, copy it and select that second one. The style will be copied. Okay, so it is working. Okay, it's done. Now you can delete that original old envelope. Now you can resize it, keep at seal size at side. Now add the blank page. Come to the elements and search for invitations, or you can design your own invitations on the blank page. Okay, here you can design your own invitation, or you can add from here. Search for, come to the template and search for invitation cards. So you will got lots of invitation cards here. So you can choose any. Okay, I just choose this one. You can customize your templates. Okay, just double click on elements and customize it. Okay, once you've done everything, go to the share and go to the see all and just copy the clipboard. The clipboard will be copied. Okay, this is working. It's copy. Now come to the second page and paste here the invitation card we have. Now you can delete that invitation page. Here the invitation card we have. Okay, you can rotate like this. Okay, and maximize the size like this. Okay, now come to the first page, select the text, come to the three dot option, go to the linked and link the second page only, and done. Okay, now we have this. So now if I share it, I just need to copy the link. You can also create custom links, or you can just copy the link. Anyone on this can view only. Okay, don't make can edit or can comment, just can view only. Okay, and just copy it. If I view this link, you can see if I, okay, I need to view this in incognito mode. If I view this, if someone click on it, your invitation card page will be open like this. So people need to click on it. Okay, so here I need to click, so your invitation card will be open like this. And if you want more animation on that open card, you can just use that. Just make it per original size. Here select that invitation card, go to the edit, other tools, go to the see all and select that grabs, magic grabs. Okay, so it will be scan. Okay, now you can click and select that area. Okay, okay, okay. You need to use brush if your click not working. Okay, so this only two part I can select by clicking, but for this part I need to use brush, so I need to use brush for all part. So select that part. Okay, the body part of envelope like this. Okay, now just grab it, so it is working. Okay, it's done. Now you can see this part has been grabbed. Okay, now come to the position and go to the layers, and this part should be come up, and this is our invitation card. Okay, so you can put on the, it's look like it is sitting inside. Okay, so now just select that invitation card, go to the animation, go to the create animation here, and just click and hold and drag upside like this. Okay, now go to the style smooth. Okay, you can also adjust the speed and just click on turn. Now let me copy this link and open in incognito mode. If someone click on it, okay, okay, animations still not working. Let me see. Okay, done. Okay, let me preview. So it is preview in as like video. You can see, yeah, it's look like it is coming out. Okay, so now if I share it and copy that link, if I open in incognito mode, okay, so let me preview it. Okay, so that is how you can create that clickable envelope animation. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.